Hi, today in front of me Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, and I'll show you how to adjust ringtone volume on this device. So first let's open the settings and then tap to the sounds and vibration. Here tap to volume section, and to change ringtone volume we should just slide to the left or to the right side this blue dot on the ringtone volume panel. Also, we got one more way how we can do that, but first be sure that this switcher is turned off to use volume buttons to change the ringtone volume, and now just by press to the up or to the down volume button we can change the ringtone volume. And also we can do it just from here by slide to the up or to the down the ringtone volume panel. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.